Gun Galleria here. I have a fun Walther today. This is a Walther PPQ Q5 Match M2. This one is quite a bit of fun. I mean, it's got a few modifications to it too. This is a Vortic red dot. It's a Venom, I believe. Extremely good. Now, these are excellent match pistols. Now, this one also has a True Glow laser, and the blue trigger is what you typically find on them. Now, the blue trigger is a safety trigger. It's got the little blade in there. It does have a magazine release that is changeable to either side. It is not ambidextrous. We are currently safe. These are just really good pistols. There are currently the steel frame ones out on the market, which are quite a bit more money, but the polymers are a lot lighter. It just depends, but there are obviously a lot of modifications and accessories. This one in particular does have a updated recoil spring setup. You can change out a lot of things on these. They have, they come with multiple back straps as it is. Change out. Now, in this case, it's been changed out to a blue aluminum in order to match your trigger and a blue mag well. These are just excellent firearms. You can buy more magazines and have even more extensions. I mean, in general, I mean, these are very nice pistols, and this is obviously one that's set up for competition, but it is probably one of the nicest shooting 9mm that Walther puts out for competition. They do come with mag loader and 3 magazines. Now, it's not a whole lot I can say about these things. An interesting thing to point out, though, is yes, you do have an ambidextrous slide release. Okay. Now, the takedown on these is by grabbing here and pulling down. Okay. And that little bar there. Now, one interesting thing to note is that this is the same takedown that you find on some other Walthers. Now, in this case, you're looking at a PPQ Q5 match, and this is a P22Q. Now, obviously, way different size. This is a 9mm, this is a 22, but that takedown is very similar on both. You know, it's that same pull down, take it apart, pull it down, take it apart. It's not fitted with a threaded barrel, but I believe I was looking around and you can get threaded barrels for these if you want. But as it is, when you buy one, there's a lot of different things you can do to it. And they are excellent pistols.